All right, so here is your homework for tonight. Just a couple of things really quickly. This front page talks about using different methods, like use the guess and check, work backwards, all that. You don't have to do any of that. Just solve the equation like you normally would using your regular steps. So for example, on question 1, you're going to subtract 5, and you get, let's see, you get 2x equals 14. Divide by 2, and you get x equals 7. That's all you have to do. You don't have to use specific methods. Just solve it. Make sure you are showing your work. Okay? If you flip, let's see. I think you'll be okay on 9 through 17. Remember, on questions like 9, 10, well, I guess 9 through 14, you have fractions, so go ahead and clear them. So, for example, on number 9, I'm going to multiply by 6 because that will get rid of everything. So I have x plus 24. So remember, you're distributing the common denominator to each term here. And you get x plus 24 equals 90. And then you subtract 24 on both sides. So x equals 66. You might hear Carter in the background. She's just saying hi. So remember to get rid of your fractions by finding a common denominator. And you may have some answers as decimals. That's fine. Down here, all you're doing is writing which equality property has been used. Okay? And then let's see. We're going to do 19 and 20, I think. Yeah. I'm going to help you set up number 19, and then I'll leave it there for you. So it says Julio is paid 1.4 times his normal hourly rate for each hour he works over 30 hours in a week. Last week he worked 35 hours and earned $436.60. Write and solve an equation to find Julio's normal hourly rate, which is R. Okay, so they've given you a variable there. So we know he works 30 hours a week, okay? So this is going to be 30R. And then he makes 1.4 times his normal hourly rate, which is R, for any hours he works over 30. In this case, he works 5 hours over 30, okay? Because it says he worked 35 hours. So this is going to be 5 times 1.4R equals 436.60. I think having that equation there will help you solve the equation, okay? You'll have to go from there. Remember, you need to solve this. Just writing it is not good enough. Okay, question 20. The average weight of the top 5 fish caught at a fishing tournament was 12.3 pounds. Some of the weights are shown in the table. We want to know the weight of the heaviest fish. So, when you find the average of something, remember you're going to add up everything and divide by the number there. We don't know what Wayne's weight is, so I'm going to identify that as X. The way you're going to set this up is X plus 12.8 plus 12.6 plus 11.8 plus 9.7, all divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 12.3. Okay, so what I would do first is multiply by 5 on both sides. That's going to get rid of your fraction. So that will cancel out. And that will leave you with x plus, I'm going to go ahead and add all of these up as well. 46.9 equals 61.5. From there, I think you can solve the rest of the question. Okay. And last one is number 24. It says Maggie's brother is 3 years younger than twice her age. The sum of their ages is 24. I'm going to say, we want to know how old is Maggie. So Maggie's brother is 2 years younger than twice her age. So I'm going to say X equals Maggie's age. Okay. Her brother is 3 years younger than twice her age. So that's going to be 2x minus 3. we also have to add in Maggie, okay? So this right here is Maggie's brother. This is Maggie's age, and together it is 24, okay? I think that will help you as far as solving these equations, and the remainder of this is homework. Good luck. Send me a message on Remind if you have any questions.